AR versus VR technology. The terms virtual reality and augmented reality are thrown around in everyday conversation a lot. VR headsets such as the Valve Index or the Oculus Quest and AR games such as Pokemon Go are pretty popular. In fact, both AR and VR have incredible potential in the future of marketing, gaming, education, e-commerce and related fields. Both these technologies are lauded for their enriched experience, but they sound similar and it is easy to mix up the two. In reality, there are significant differences between the two and their characteristics easily distinguish one from another. Confused about the difference between AR and VR technology? Well, you are not alone. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about AR versus VR technology. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. What is virtual reality or VR? You must have heard about the cult favorite Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. The main idea behind VR headsets is that they completely take over your vision and give you the impression that you have been transported to someplace else. Popular VR headsets such as the HTC Vive Cosmos, PlayStation VR, the Valve Index and Oculus Quest 2 are opaque. They block out your surroundings when you put them on. When you turn the headsets on, the LCD and OLED panels inside are refracted by the lenses that fill your vision with whatever is on display. It could either be a video game, a 360-degree live video, or the virtual space of the platform's interface. In the visual sense, you will be taken to wherever your VR headset wants you to go. Therefore, the real outside world is replaced by a virtual one. The Index Valve headset or the PlayStation 1 are tethered VR headsets and the Oculus Quest 2 is a standalone headset. Both use 6 degrees of freedom or 6 DOF motion tracking. This technology comes from cameras or external sensors and outward-facing cameras, which means the headset doesn't just detect the direction in which you are facing, but any movement you make in those directions. This is combined with the 6 DOF motion controllers that let you move around freely in the virtual space using your virtual hands, even though this space is generally limited to a few meters across, but it is a lot more immersive than standing still. However, you do need to be careful so that you don't trip over any cable connected to the headset, your gaming system or the computer. VR supersedes your surroundings. The possibilities are endless and you can experience the world and beyond by just sitting in your bedroom. What is augmented reality or AR? The main point of difference between AR and VR is that while VR replaces your vision, AR just adds to it. AR devices such as smart glasses or the Microsoft HoloLens are transparent. They allow you to see everything in front of you as if you are wearing translucent sunglasses. The technology used in AR is designed for free movement, which projects images over whatever your eye sets on. This concept extends to devices like smartphones that have AR apps like Pokemon Go. These apps use your phone's camera to track your surroundings and overlay information on top of it using the screen. AR displays can project something very simple to something as complicated as holograms. However, AR technology has a disadvantage compared to VR, virtual immersion. VR completely replaces your vision while immersing you in your surroundings, whereas AR apps only show up on your screen and they can project images only in a limited area in front of your eyes. Therefore, it isn't immersive at all. Most AR apps require 6 DOF in some form to track your physical position so that the software can maintain consistent positions for images to be projected in the 3D space. The HoloLens uses a stereoscopic camera that has advanced pattern recognition. Even AR has limitless possibilities. Dedicated AR headsets can do a lot. However, currently they are only available on smartphones, which means AR is very limited compared to VR. AR versus VR technology. As we established, both AR and VR have different goals and they accomplish different things in two very different ways. VR replaces your reality by transporting you somewhere else, and AR adds to your reality by projecting information on top of what you are already seeing. They are both powerful pieces of technology and show immense promise. The difference between AR and VR comes down to the devices they require. Number 1. VR is completely virtual, whereas AR uses a real world setting. Number 2. AR users are able to control their presence in the real world setting. VR users are controlled by the computing system. Number 3. AR can be accessed with a smartphone, whereas VR requires a headset. Number 4. VR is a fictional reality, but AR can enhance both the real and virtual worlds. Both these technologies can completely transform how we see and use computers in the future.